Hello friends and welcome to another video lesson from DBOS. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please click subscribe and click the bell so that you can be notified of new uploads. This video is in the playlist called Handling Dates in SQL, and here we'll be learning how to convert a year from a number to words. As you know, a year is carries a numeric value to it, right? So we will look at how it is done using Oracle SQL. Okay. So we will be doing a select statement which makes use of the very familiar dual table. Okay, select, and then we have here a hard-coded numeric value which we want to convert to a number, but this is optional. I'll show you later on. So from here, I'm trying to display two things: the number itself, and then this part here is the expression which makes use of two Oracle built-in functions, to char and to date, so that the value inside of here, this is string 2024, in my case, which is the current year, will be converted to words equivalent. Okay, so if I'll execute this, it does its thing. So the first column is just trying for me to do a comparison, right? It could be a string, it could be a number. So the first part here is just optional. I'm just putting it in this manner so that you can compare the numeric value side by side or alongside the number itself converted into words. If you don't want that, then you can remove this, then we're still okay. And then if you want to come up with a better looking display or column heading, then you can do that. Maybe let's say okay, year. Okay, just an alias. You can put the as, which is optional. Okay, I'll do it again. So select the car to date 2024, which is the string value, and then J and then JSP as year in words will do. Okay, so we're querying from the familiar table, Oracle built-in table called dual. The as is just alias, and then the main thing is this: whatever number you wanted to convert, and be it a number or a year, we'll put it inside, enclosed in single quotes because it's a string. It's a bunch of characters. Okay, if you're wondering what the J and the JSP is about, if you look at JSP, J refers to Julian date. Julian, an adjective referencing or referring to, I think, Julius Caesar, the Roman Julius Caesar, right, emperor. So that's Julian date, and the SP means something like spell out the numbers into words. Now, the other thing we will be noticing in the output is that the words were displayed in lowercase, 2024. Firstly, it's correct. It is correctly converted into words from the numeric value. But like I said, it is being displayed as lowercase. That's because of the, I don't know if I could call it format mask also, but the JSP formatting here is in all lowercase. So if we wanted to display the converted words in all uppercase, then we can also do the same here. So I'll change this to JSP uppercase, and then let's do it again. So as you can see, the output of the numbers, I mean the year being converted into words, is now all in uppercase because I have done the same thing to the format here. Okay, and if you wanted also to just display it in neither all lowercase nor all uppercase, but in something that's called title case or sometimes called proper case, then you could do the same here. Instead of this, you would have an uppercase J and lowercase of the SP, and it will follow. All right, so you can see that the words that have been converted, the words that are the output of the conversion from the number, show those words in title case, sometimes called proper case. Okay, so in this short video, we've learned about how to convert a year into words. And you can, you don't have to really go into the details of this one, just because you can do and try to find out what's the value of this. You can do that. But if you are just, this is something you will not, you will very rarely use. So it's up to you if you want to Google and find out the nitty gritty of this syntax. But I would not. So if you have the time, then it's okay. But it's just using two Oracle built-in functions. One is converting this string to date using this J, which is Julian date, and then again converting it to car. Okay. If we will try it out and isolate by doing a select of this first from dual, then you will see the effect. The output is some date, which is not necessarily equivalent to 2024. Okay. But just in this video, we've shown you that you can convert a year, which is a numeric value, to words. And we can do it in at least 3 ways. In all lowercase, in all uppercase, and in mixed case, sometimes called proper case, sometimes called title case. Okay. Thank you for watching and thank you for listening. If you haven't subscribed yet, please click subscribe and click the bell and pass the word. I'll be seeing you in the next video.